everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download Xapo application on your PC. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download Xapo application on your PC, you'll need an Android emulator. If you don't have one, you can go and click open a web browser and then in the search box type in download BlueStacks Android emulator. Once you search for the Android emulator, you'll be able to see multitudes of search results on the display. Click on the first link that you see and then simply download the application by clicking on download BlueStacks link, and the application will be downloaded on your PC. Once it downloads, click open the BlueStacks Android emulator and you'll end up at this home page. In the search box at the upper right, search for Xapo and then press the enter. If you don't find the application in this page, then you can click on search in Google Play. You might need to enter your Google account's credential in order to search for the application. Go ahead and do it and you'll end up in this page. Now, click on the install button in order to download the application on your PC. Wait until the download is finished and the installation process will automatically begin once the download is done. Wait until it installs on your device. You can click it open by clicking on this open button, or you'll be able to find the application on your desktop. Simply click it on and get started. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.